Hat Yai Fried Chicken is crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Served with the crispy fried shallots and sticky rice. This Southern Thai dish is surely to be a favorite. This recipe is for 3 servings. The ingredients needed are 830 grams of chicken leg with the skin on, 85 ml of water, 130 grams of shallots, peel and wash, 5 tablespoons of Gogi Tempura flour. I will also adding my own crispy flour mix, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, half tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of white peppercorn, 30 grams of garlic, peel and wash, 10 grams of cilantro roots, and 1 kilogram of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, wash the peppercorn and pound them in a mortar until very fine. Okay, this is enough. Cut the cilantro roots into the mortar and continue pounding until it's all smashed and mixed with the peppercorn. Add the garlic. Pound until it becomes a fragrant paste. This is perfect. Transfer out from the mortar to a small plate and set aside. Next, marinate the chicken leg. Sprinkle half of the salt over the skin, rubbing to evenly spread them. Turn the chicken and repeat with the rest of the salt. Alright, it is done. Add all the coriander powder, cumin powder, and the powdered paste earlier. Mix the seasoning well, coating the chicken as evenly as possible. Make sure to stuff some of the seasoning into the skin too. Okay, this is enough. Cover the chicken and set aside for a minimum of 20 minutes to marinate. 10 minutes before frying the chicken, switch on the heat to medium. Pour in the oil in a pan for deep frying. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes to heat it up. Meanwhile, slice all the shallots thinly horizontally. Alright, that's all of them. Transfer the sliced shallots into a large tray. Spread them out evenly. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of Gogi Tempura flour over the shallots. Gently toss them, coating them evenly. Some slices will come apart. This is fine. Next, mix the homemade crispy flour in a bowl. Add the rest of Gogi Tempura flour, wheat flour, rice flour, corn flour, and baking powder. Gently whisk until well combined. Pour in about 65 ml of water for now, whisking to combine. The consistency is too thick. Pour about 10 ml of water. Continue to whisk. It's still too thick. Pour in another 5 ml of water. Whisk until combined. The consistency is almost there. The flour is thick but somewhat runny. Add another 5 ml of water. Alright, the consistency is perfect. The flour is quite runny and thinly coats the whisk. Perfect. After 10 minutes, let's check the oil by submerging wooden chopstick. Bubbles are forming at the tips. This means it is ready for deep frying. Sprinkle the shallots all around the oil, evenly spreading them. Let them fry for 5 minutes. Stirring them every 5 to 10 seconds until crispy and golden brown. After 3.5 minutes, the shallots are beginning to turn slightly brown. Keep a close eye and continuously stir to prevent burning. After 4 minutes, the shallots are getting golden brown. Continue to fry for 15 more seconds. This is perfect, crispy and golden brown. Strain them out from the oil quickly. It is quite sensitive as it burns very fast from this stage on. Okay, all out from the oil, switch off the heat. Rest them on a cooling rack with a tray underneath to catch the excess oil. Spread them out evenly so they will be crispy when cool. Switch on the heat. Strain to remove any shallot residue in the oil. This prevents them from getting burnt, which turns the oil bitter as well. Arrange the stove that the flour mix is next to the deep frying pan. Here is the marinated chicken. Take one piece and dip it into the flour mix. Double coat the chicken to thicken the flour layer. Carefully add the chicken to the oil, placing it on one side. Double coat the second chicken as well. Carefully placing it to the other side. Repeat for the third chicken. And arrange it on the side. For the extra flour mix, I like to drip it into the oil over the chicken so it will form an extra crunch later. This is optional. As the chicken is not fully submerged in the oil, I am gently pushing some oil over the exposed chicken to cook the surface. This locks in the juiciness of the chicken. If your chicken is fully submerged, this step can be skipped. As the chicken is quite big pieces, I will turn to rotate the chicken every 5 minutes to evenly cook them. After 5 minutes, flip the chicken. The flour has started to form. If they are stuck, gently separate them with the pair of tongs. After 10 minutes, the chicken is starting to brown. Gently turn them again to evenly cook them. After 15 minutes, flip the chicken again. The crispy flour looks beautiful in color now. Continue cooking the chicken for another 10 more minutes. At 20 minutes, turn to check the chicken. It looks super delicious. The crispy flour is also a beautiful golden brown. Just a little bit more. Remove the extra crispy flour droplet with a strainer to prevent them from burning. After 25 minutes, the chicken should be perfectly cooked inside and the outside looks so crispy and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil with a pair of tongs and rest them briefly on the strainer so that the excess oil can drip off. Rest the chicken on a cooling rack for a few minutes. Remove the crispy flour droplets from the oil and switch off the heat. Arrange the fried chicken on a serving plate. Sprinkle the crispy flour and crispy fried shallot generously all over the chicken. Top some on the sticky rice as well. Garnish with some cilantro stalks. And my version of Hat Yai Fried Chicken is ready to serve. Let's eat! Wow, so crispy! Can you hear it? It is tender and juicy. The fried shallots are also very crispy and fragrant, served with fluffy sticky rice and homemade sweet sour chicken chili sauce, very similar to my comfort food. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!